Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tofu mousse. Start by pressing your tofu. This essential step removes excess water, which is key for a smooth, creamy mousse. You can use a dedicated tofu press or simply wrap the block in a clean towel and place something heavy on top, like a few cookbooks. Let it press for at least 30 minutes or even longer for a firmer result. This preparation ensures your mousse will have the perfect texture and absorb flavors beautifully. Now let's get blending. Take your pressed tofu and combine it in a blender with your preferred sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave, and any flavorings you love, like vanilla extract or cocoa powder. Don't forget a splash of liquid, perhaps a quarter cup of plant-based milk or fruit juice, to help it blend. Process until the mixture is incredibly smooth, with absolutely no lumps remaining. This creates the silky base for your mousse. Once blended, carefully pour your smooth tofu mousse into individual serving dishes or a single large bowl. This is where the magic of chilling happens. Place your mousse in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. This crucial step allows the mousse to firm up beautifully and develop its rich, full flavor. Patience here will be rewarded with a delightful, set dessert. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade tofu mousse. Once perfectly chilled and set, you can garnish it with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, a sprinkle of toasted nuts, or some delicate chocolate shavings. This easy method provides a fantastic base for countless variations. Feel free to experiment with different extracts or fruit purees to create your unique, healthy, and utterly delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.